So you might be asking, what's the reason to put harnesses in my Jeep? And there's two good reasons for that. One is because I can. Two is because why not? What's going on, guys? Welcome to the channel. Today I'm putting in harnesses in the JL Wrangler. I already have the front harnesses. I have the Rockhard bar in the back, and then I have my 4-point harnesses from PRP up front, and today I am adding harnesses to the back. First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna test fit the bar, because on the box it says test fit your stuff. Before you actually coat it, before you install it permanently, we're gonna do exactly that. So let's jump right on it, open up the box and see what we have inside. Here is the installation manual, and we're gonna go ahead and toss that. The hardware kit. You get a special bit to drill your holes, and you get a special diamond bit to enlarge the holes. Now JLs have like the kryptonite of drill bits for a cage, for the factory roll cage. When I was installing this bar, I literally went through a box and a half of drill bits just to drill these 4 holes on each side. I don't know what they used, but these 4 holes to drill was an absolute nightmare. And unfortunately, Rockhard did not include a drill bit or the diamond bit for me when I ordered this, so I had to improvise.
I don't know how I'm gonna get through all 8. Should have ordered bits, but I didn't even think about that. I'm about 8 bits in. All right, so I got through 1 hole, combination of carbide bits and cobalt, which I am quickly running out of. So this is already about 12 bits in. Only like all of them to go. Actually, I think like 37 bits later, I had holes big enough that I could put the bolt through, and that worked for me. Fortunately, in this situation, they gave me some drill bits. My concern was I have the speakers in the back. How is it gonna sit with the speakers? So we're gonna test all that. If I have to swivel them back a little bit, I will. And then my useless fire extinguisher mount, we're gonna have to move that. If you really are having an issue while you're sitting in the driver's seat, you're not reaching that. Your fire extinguisher should be within reach, and I always say that, and I have one within reach up front. This is just kind of like a spare sitting in the back. If I see a homeless guy with a shopping cart on fire, I can put it out. So it looks like they have everything zip tied in here. They have the brackets that we're gonna be using, and then these guys, and then the bar mounts up to the brackets. T50, and we're gonna take these caps off and unbolt the seat belt. Unbolt the seat belt. I might need something bigger. So the bar is in, and I guess this is the new home for the speakers, which I'm okay with. 3/4 of an inch gap. I think that looks pretty good. Not exactly 100% thrilled about it, but I can live with this. I think that actually came out pretty good. Make sure that this lines up all nice and straight. So I'm gonna use a punch to get the center for the hole.
And now it's basically the fun part of taking it all back off so I can drill those holes. Hopefully it's not as of a nightmare as the front part was. All right, so they include this washer for you guys to be able to mark the size of the hole. And we're gonna use a Sharpie. Both of the holes marked up, and it's time to drill. So I got the hardened bit on here, and pray to God that it doesn't chip or break on the first hole. We're gonna go low and slow. I'm through, but not 100%. Diamond bit will take care of that. I'm gonna try to save this bit for the other side. So even though I do have a riv nut tool, so basically put this in and crimp it on the inside, I can't use it because these are rather deep. I'm gonna use the little bolt with Allen tool that they provide. It's what the Milwaukee batteries were made for. All right, so the next step is for us to sandblast and powder coat. All right, so I got everything sandblasted. I'm popping it into the oven for about 30 minutes. Traeger, 400 degrees for about 30 minutes, 40 minutes or so, just to bake out the oils out of it. And this is the last time my hands get dirty because next we're powder coating. So that side's already done, looped over. I adjusted it to kind of fit me in the middle, and then leave some room for adjustments. And here underneath, what I did, I literally went to where the stock seat belts mount in the middle here, and then I have my jack stand holding the seat up. As over there, I went straight to where the seat bolts to the chassis. So these are the big bolts that are basically holding the side of the harness in. Couple Luga-Dugas for this. Every time I make sudden movements in this Jeep, I have sand coming out of everywhere. I am all done. This is what it looks like. I think it came out awesome. Front matches the back, back matches the front. Front was basically the same installation, powder coated the bar, got the harnesses looped in, and then also right to the seat mounts with the bottom of the harness. I'm really excited about the way it came out. Overall, I think it looks awesome. I want to thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video later.
Please.